Where are we going?
To Morocco! What's up, guys? We're going to Morocco in the desert.
This is my view.
Hey, Joshi, are you ready for holiday? Let's go holiday. Let's go Morocco. Who's ready for Morocco? Jasmine. You ready for holiday? 1, 2, 3. She's out. Grab your stuff, we're rolling out.
Yes.
Look at that. You made it. Good job.
Okay, who's gonna be there?
There's them all again.
What? You're excited? She's the baby anyway.
We just got on our flight. We are sitting at 38F. We're flying on a 777-300 ER. Got a nice screen.
Daddy.
USB.
Daddy.
Got a headphone jack.
Daddy. Wait, headphone jack?
Are you ready for the flight?
Yeah. Okay. Here. And after that. Hey guys, we're about to fly.
We just landed in Doha, Qatar, and right now we got a 3-hour layover, and then we're gonna head off to Morocco. What is it?
Big bear.
Is that My Little Pony?
Yeah.
Cool.
Cheers.
Cheers to traveling. What happened to all the stickers, Joshi?
Watch out, behind you, Joshi.
We decorate Jenny with stickers.
The heck? Life of Instagram mom right there.
We are on a cart. How does it feel, boys?
It is awesome.
Are you happy?
Yeah. This is better than watching. Mommy, what seat are we?
We are on a 787 TAC 8, and this is my review. Got a nice big screen right there. Got USB.
It's pretty good.
How was your trip?
Good?
Got all those activities right there.
Yeah. Yeah, stickers, coloring books.
Take a kid on vacation, give him a bunch of activities. He's gonna be happy the whole time. It's gonna make you happy too. There's a lip balm.
Lip balm? What's a lip balm? I think
We just landed in Morocco. It's about 10 a.m. and we are actually refreshed because we all slept during that red-eye flight. We got our little, what are these? Public health for passenger forms. Coronavirus. Let's go. So while Mama's filling out these forms, I'm gonna watch these 3 kids. If you come over here, bring a pen, because all these little kiosks right here have pens and they're all taken up.
This past the immigration, we're in Marrakech.
Over here, they have an easy immigration, and there's our luggage over there. And there's a freaking duty free right there. Let's go get that Moroccan alcohol, guys. See this exchange place behind me? They had pretty good rates, so when we converted our money over to Moroccan dirham, we didn't get ripped off too bad. But in Doha, they actually tried to rip us off pretty bad. So I recommend you guys come over here. We just found our driver.
No good English.
Yes.
French, yes.
French.
Berber, Arabic.
Berber.
My French is not good. How does it feel?
The weather is nice.
You tired? Jacob, you tired?
No.
Sleeping.
Sleepy?
Monsieur.
Yes.
Look, ici.
Yeah. Look at that. Look at that, traveling style right there.
And this is how you travel with kids.
So our transportation dropped us off at the street and the porter came and picked us up because these roads are too narrow for cars. And now he's taking us to our riad.
How do you like Morocco? Is it good? Do you like it?
Dude, these passageways, so narrow. Alright, so we just made it to our riad and this place also has a spa. Is it good? Is it yummy? Shukran.
Next.
These kids are driving us crazy, so we're gonna go out in town, try to find them some snacks.
Oh my God.
This one. Can you guys go in the corner? I will get you.
I like this. I like this.
This is our room over here. Come check it out. So this is our riad right here. We got 3 beds. We got 2 small ones. And then we got 1 big bed. We got a TV. There's our sink right there. And over here is our toilet. And there's our tub. Not a tub, shower.
Yeah, let's
Let's go.
Come on.
Well, look at all this good food right here.
Let's go up. Whoever can eat the most fastest.
Which one is which one?
Mama.
Zaluk.
Zaluk.
Okay.
What
I eat.
And Moroccan salad.
Thank you.
Dude, where's the hot tub? Dude, that looks
good,
That
huh?
looks delicious. Dude, I can totally eat that whole thing
Yeah?
by myself. No, this. Yeah.
You can eat the whole thing by yourself?
Yeah, so fast. I'm gonna take some more.
Look at that piece for you.
Jacob, you have to wait.
This pretty good. And the inside, pretty good.
You know we're twinning.
Twinning. She's copying me.
Think alike.
That's it is.
Pagod na. In Arabic, hammam means bathroom. Anaro hammam.
Hammam. Paradis Spa. Paradis Spa.
My friends will come here.
Have a seat. You sit down.
Moroccan tea.
It's yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There's our tea.
Because I tried hammam magabi before in Kuwait.
Here's the basket. You guys got towels? Sexy underwear.
Look at this one.
We just got done with our 2 hours and a half massage, spa, and hammam magrabi. And we got free argan oil from Samira Riyad's spa. Thank you so much.
I wish you enjoy with our service and visit us again. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It was a real good
Yeah,
service.
thank you.
It took like 2.5 hours. That girl like had some scrubby pads scrubbing the freaking dead skin off my body for like an hour. Kept on pouring buckets of hot water on me, putting me down, laying me down on this freaking hot tile. Whew, shit was hardcore. Anyways, I feel a lot better. And then we went through a massage, and then the kids were like chilling out at the jacuzzi and they were watching them. It was a good experience. And now we're gonna go eat. And this kid's sleepy and heavy as hell. About to go eat dinner. And I'm hungry and I'm thirsty, but I got the thirsty part cured.
Mister can come here already.
You don't say mister.
Mister.
Thank you.
What kind of soup is this? What kind of soup is this? Thank you.
Team Mama.
There's the tagine, the baby tagine. There's the vegetable tagine and the beef tagine.
Nice.
We got 2 kinds of tagine. This is the vegetable with chicken tagine or chicken with vegetable tagine. It has potato, carrots, tomato, green peas, cauliflower, zucchini, and obviously chicken. And over here we got the beef, plain beef tagine with dried apricot and dried prunes. Ooh, look at that beef just fall off from the bowl, fall off.
You wake him up? It's not good.
Yeah.
Alright, Jasmine. Ready to go sleep?
No.
No. Alright, guys. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to head out to the Sahara Desert. Peace.
How old are you?
5.
5. You're not sure?
You're just 4. Hold your sister's.
Just one.
Just one. Go hold your sister's hand. There. Go hold your sister's hand.
Yum.
Yum. What happened?
You spilled some. A little tiny.